Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love the ZEVO Max Flying Insect Trap. Reason number 1 is you get 2 of the sticky traps built in. So these are just replaceable, but you get both sides. So you get maximum protection from bugs and gnats and flying insects. They're going to be attracted to the light, and then when they go into this area, hopefully they get stuck to these sticky fly traps right there. Reason number 2 is they're super simple to replace the refill. And it's easy to check. So all I gotta do is look in there, is it filled up with bugs? After it's filled up with bugs, I simply just pull it out. I'm not gonna get my hands sticky or messy. Grab the new one, activate it by pulling this completely off. Okay, you just pull that completely off. Then there's a little activation switch. Whenever I put it in, it's going to activate the unit and then turn it on. Now this is for indoor use. It does come with a 5-foot long cord. You have to have it plugged in all the time. So as long as it's plugged in and you've got the sticky trap in, the light will be on and the insects will be attracted to it. There's no moving parts or sounds that this makes. So the 3 reasons are 5-foot long cord, easy to replace these sticky traps, and it has 2 sticky traps for maximum insect capturing. And this only stands about 7¼ inches tall, and it's a circle, 4-inch circle. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.